Hi guys, so we're going to pick up where we left off last time, and today we're going to talk about drill-throughs. So drill-throughs are where you can click into a visual and see more details into it. So it opens up a new visual or a new page where you can see everything in more detail. So I created this new page called drill-through page, and I'm just going to copy this header here and just paste it over here and rename that. So just this, and yeah, I'm just going to build a few visuals now. So I'll build the add table here, and a title, director, cast, and release here. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I also want to add a card. So a card is just like kind of pretty similar to a KPI. So you're just going to see a number here. Like in this case, I'm just going to add the title. So we just want to see the number of fields we have. So I'm just going to do that. And one more I wanted to add. So that would be a column chart. This, directors by country. That's what I want to see. Number of directors, and we're gonna break them down by country. Okay, so what we want is, let's say we're on our home page, right? And you have these filters. Let's say you're only looking, I think mine is year 2020, but if you're looking at, let's say, a year in particular and rating, and what we'll do is we'll add another slicer here. So if you want to filter by, you can even add, let's see, we have release here, we have rating, we can add maybe directly, yeah, just capital D. Yeah, so these are all our filters, right? And now once we click into these visuals, what should happen is we're gonna see an option that goes to our drill through page, and it will show you all those details. So I'll kind of just set it up, and then I think you'll understand how it works better. I'm just going to rename a few of these. Yeah, this shouldn't be summer release here. We're going to make this don't summarize and just make this release here. Okay, this is fine. Just write total titles, and here it's going to be country, and so I'm just going to call directors by country. Okay, so we can just start with a table, right? So if you click on this, and then if you scroll down, you'll see that there's this drill through tab over here, and it says add drill through fields, right? So now I'm going to focus on this visual, right, on the catalog by content type. So for this visual, we're basically our legend is Netflix titles type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add type here in the drill throughs, and you'll notice that there'll be a button that just pops up. You see this back button? So that means that the connection has been created, and when you hit drill through there, it's going to automatically filter. So we have that on this table. We're just going to make sure it's on the other visuals as well. So generally applies to the entire page. So now all these visuals, I believe this one as well, when you click on them, you'll see on the drill through fields, they have this type added, which is good. So now we're going to go back to the home page right here. And let's say I'm looking at the year 2021, right? And I want, let's do rating, let's do PG-13. Right, so we have 14 movies. Now, we don't know which 14 these are, right? So now what we can do is, you can see this tooltip saying right-click to drill through. So I'm going to right-click. And when you go to drill through, you can see that option, right? Drill through page. So I'm going to click here. And you see now, so this entire page is filtered exactly for those 14 titles. And you can see that your card now shows 14 instead of the 800 it said before. The directors by country. So these, most of them, 6 of them are from the US. 3 are unlabeled, which is, I guess, something to look at in Power Query, and then these are the other ones, right? And just to make this clear, I'm just going to enable a data label so I know how many there are. So 631111. And when you want to see the title, director, the cast, and the release year, so that's all visible bottom on towards the bottom of this table, right? So we can see everything right over here. So that's your 14 titles that are visible. And that's exactly how Drillthroughs work. So whenever you can click on a visual on the home page, and this would apply for all visuals on the home page where you're using content type, right? So even if you click on this one, right, and I hover, it'll still show the Drillthrough, but it won't work on our tree map because our tree map is using rating, not content type. So when I right click here, you don't have that Drillthrough option. So what really matters is what your fields, what you're filtering by, and once you add that field to your Drillthrough page visuals, then it should automatically make that connection, and you should see it work. So yeah, that's all I had to cover for this one, and yeah, thank you guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon again.